Apple cider vinegar, ACV, has been a household staple for centuries, celebrated not only for its culinary uses but also for its wide-ranging health benefits. This tangy elixir, made from fermented apples, is rich in acetic acid and other compounds that are believed to contribute to its medicinal properties. From aiding digestion to supporting weight loss, apple cider vinegar offers numerous potential benefits, though it should always be used responsibly and in consultation with a healthcare professional. One of the most well-known benefits of apple cider vinegar is its ability to support digestion. Consuming a diluted teaspoon of ACV before meals may help stimulate stomach acid production, which can enhance the breakdown and absorption of nutrients. It is particularly helpful for those experiencing indigestion or bloating, as the acidic nature of ACV can assist in restoring the stomach's natural pH balance. Another surprising benefit is its potential to regulate blood sugar levels. Several studies suggest that ACV can improve insulin sensitivity and help lower blood sugar after meals, making it a useful addition for those managing type 2 diabetes. Drinking a small amount diluted in water before meals has shown promise in reducing the post-meal blood sugar spikes that many people experience. Apple cider vinegar is also touted for its role in supporting weight management. The acetic acid in ACV is believed to suppress appetite, reduce water retention, and increase metabolism. Incorporating it into a healthy lifestyle could complement efforts to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. However, it's essential to pair its use with a balanced diet and regular exercise for sustainable results. For individuals looking to boost their immune system, apple cider vinegar can offer some advantages. Its antibacterial properties, stemming from the acetic acid, can help ward off harmful bacteria in the digestive system and beyond. Some proponents suggest that ACV can help combat colds and other minor infections, though more research is needed to substantiate these claims fully. Skin health is another area where apple cider vinegar shines. Its antimicrobial and pH balancing properties make it a popular natural remedy for acne and other skin issues. Used as a diluted toner, ACV may help reduce breakouts and improve skin texture. It is also used in some home remedies for soothing sunburns and minimizing the appearance of age spots. The benefits extend to hair health as well. Many people use apple cider vinegar as a natural conditioner to enhance shine, reduce frizz, and prevent dandruff. The acidity helps remove product buildup from the scalp and hair while restoring its natural pH balance, leaving it clean and vibrant. Heart health may also be positively impacted by apple cider vinegar. Studies suggest that it can help lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels, thereby reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. Additionally, ACV has been linked to lowering blood pressure in some cases, which is another factor in maintaining a healthy heart. Oral health is an area where apple cider vinegar's antibacterial properties are especially valuable. It can help combat bad breath and may even play a role in reducing plaque buildup. However, because of its acidity, it is critical to dilute ACV significantly before use and avoid prolonged contact with teeth to prevent enamel erosion. Apple cider vinegar is sometimes used to enhance detoxification. Proponents claim that it helps flush out toxins from the body and supports liver health. While scientific evidence in this area is limited, many people report feeling revitalized after incorporating a CV into their routine. Joint health can also benefit from apple cider vinegar, particularly for those experiencing stiffness or discomfort. Some anecdotal evidence suggests that a CV may help reduce inflammation in the joints, providing relief for individuals with arthritis or similar conditions. Although more research is needed, its potential anti-inflammatory properties are worth noting. In addition to these benefits, apple cider vinegar may help combat fatigue. Some attribute this effect to its potassium and enzyme content, which could aid in replenishing energy levels. Drinking a diluted mixture of ACV and water may provide a natural energy boost without the crash associated with caffeine or sugar. Despite its many potential advantages, it is essential to approach the use of apple cider vinegar with caution. Overuse or improper application can lead to adverse effects, such as throat irritation, digestive discomfort, or tooth enamel erosion. Always dilute ACV before consuming or applying it to the skin, and consult a healthcare professional if you have any pre-existing conditions or concerns about its use. It is also worth noting that while apple cider vinegar has been praised in natural health circles, it is not a cure-all. Its benefits should be viewed as complementary to a well-rounded diet and lifestyle, not as a substitute for medical treatment or professional advice. As with any health trend, moderation is key, and evidence-based practices should guide its use. Medical disclaimer. The information provided in this article is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Apple cider vinegar may not be suitable for everyone, and its effects can vary depending on individual health conditions and circumstances. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional before incorporating apple cider vinegar or any new supplement into your health regimen. This is particularly important for individuals who are pregnant, breastfeeding, taking medication, or managing chronic health conditions.